Hey eufy fans, just a quick video to show a setting I've just discovered. I couldn't figure out why the E340 doorbell lights weren't switching on at night when I approached the doorbell. So I've gone and had a look. So on the front screen of the doorbell itself, if we go into video settings, and at the top there it says night vision. In there you can select colour night vision, optimal infrared night vision, or off. Mine was set to infrared, so it's showing black and white. Now I've switched this to colour night vision, so hopefully both lights should switch on. I shall report back later and let you know how we go. Thank you.